This just came in this morning, right? This morning.
Yes, I believe so.
And my son's gonna help me unbox it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna play. Hold this. I'm actually going to play a video while I do the unboxing. But first, I'm gonna do quick measurements. So my son's gonna help me. He's gonna do the measurement from left to right to show you how big the box is.
About
3'5", 41 inches.
Right there. Okay, over. So do it the other way.
And width is
Almost 8. Okay.
Yeah, 8
and then
inches.
from top to bottom.
And top to bottom.
No, do it the other way.
What do you mean?
Oh.
Bottom to top. It's about 2.
You gotta bring it
2.
Okay, pull that down
2'2".
You gotta pull it up. Pull that all the way down. You gotta pull this up so people can see it for themselves. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's the measurements. We're gonna do the unboxing. As we're doing the unboxing, we're going to play the detailed description of the item. The reason we're gonna, and I'm not writing it today. I'm actually gonna leave it charging overnight. So the reason we're opening it up is because we have something to do within the next half hour. And because of that, I figured let me just do the unboxing really quickly so I don't have to do the charging. And then let me start the charging process overnight. That way we'll have a full battery to try it out tomorrow. So here goes the detailed description.
The following is a detailed information on this product. Please listen as I unbox and put together the e-bike Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Foldable Electric Bike 28-mile max operating range and 16 miles per hour max speed model. SCE-1 SKU 6,228,530. 052020. Cost $249.99. Best Buy. https://www.bestbuy.com/swagtron-swagcycle-envy-foldable-electric-bike-w-28-miles per hour max speed /6,228,530 p SKU ID equals 6,228,530. Description: Rethink your daily commute with this SwagCycle Envy E-bike. A built-in charger makes it easy to power up your ride when you get to work or school, and the folding handle lets you stash this bike neatly away in your office. With rear-wheel disc brakes, an automatic LED headlight and water-resistant construction, this SwagCycle Envy E-bike delivers a safe, comfortable way to get wherever you need to go. Ride responsibly. The purchaser and rider of this product are responsible for knowing and obeying all state and local regulations regarding the use of this product. It is highly encouraged that you read and follow the product instructions, including all safety precautions, and use protective gear. Protective gear can be found at http://www.bestbuy.com/productivigear. We can turn this around. Together. Features: rear motorized wheel. The bike reaches speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. 36V rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 9 miles on a single charge. Recharges fully in 3 to 5 hours. Rugged lightweight steel frame. The Envy is an electric bike designed with a robust steel frame for lasting durability. 2 foot pegs allow you to rest your feet as you let the motor do the work for you. Foldable design. This bike collapses down for easier storage and transport. IP54 water resistant. This bike is capable of withstanding tough outdoor conditions such as ingress from splashing rain and blowing dust. Weight capacity of up to 264 pounds. Ensures safe riding. Rear disc brake helps you stop this e-bike safely. 12 inches front and 10 inches rear wheels for confident rolling. Air-filled rubber tires are designed for a comfortable ride. Reliable traction and stability. Standard Unicron design fork provides a stable ride. Controls and throttle on the handlebar allow you to check the battery life. Turn on the headlight. Honk the horn. Accelerate and brake. Automatic LED headlight lights up the road ahead so you can avoid obstacles. Turns on automatically at night. Suitable for adults. This device requires coordination, agility and balance. Use your best judgment to determine if an individual can use the SwagCycle safely. Minimal assembly required. The purchaser and rider of this product are responsible for knowing and obeying all state and local regulations regarding the use of this product, including whether licensing is required and the rules concerning where it may be operated. It is highly encouraged that you read and follow the product instructions, including all safety precautions, and use protective gear. What's included: 2 feet pegs and seat AC charging adapter. Manufacturer's warranty. Owner's manual. SwagCycle Envy foldable electric bike, W/28 mi max operating range and 16 miles per hour max speed. Key specs: product weight 30.9 pounds, maximum operating range 9 miles, maximum speed 10 miles per hour, battery voltage 36 volts, battery amperage 4.4 ampere hours, color black, general product name SwagCycle Envy foldable electric bike, W/28 mi max operating range and 16 miles per hour max speed, brand Swagtron, gender unisex, model number SCE-1, color black, color category black, warranty manufacturer's warranty. Parts 1 year, manufacturer's warranty. Labor 1 year. Other product: width 7 inches, product height 29 inches, product length 39 inches, display type digital, batteries included, info yes, motor type rear motorized wheel, battery type lithium ion, on off switch, info yes, foldable design yes, brake style disc, bicycle type adults bike, bike style electric bikes, kickstand yes, rear brakes yes, information displayed, battery life, distance, odometer, speed, throttle yes, assembly required, partial wheel diameter 10 inches, frame material S, steel padded seat yes, battery charge time info 5 hours, maximum weight capacity info 264 pounds, battery indicator light yes, UPC 858,212,006,712, Swagtron registered sign. SwagCycle Envy. Get your swag on with the SwagCycle Envy. Whether you're racing down the park, riding with the Envy stowed under your seat on the subway, or just rolling down the sidewalk, the Envy is the bike to have. The Envy allows you to groove up to 9 miles an hour for a maximum range of up to 10 miles. For those riding at night, the SwagCycle Envy also comes with an automatic low-light headlight that automatically lights up at night so that you can ride and rest assured knowing that you're safe. With a sleek frame and a variety of eye-catching colors, use the SwagCycle to make it the most fun part of your commute. Rugged lightweight frames. The Envy is an electric motorcycle designed with a robust steel frame for lasting durability. 2-foot pegs allow you to rest your feet as you let the motor do the work for you. See it all from your handlebars with its backlit display. Track down the speed, battery life, and distance of your overall trip. Toggle your motorized bicycle speed measurements if you prefer miles per hour in miles or kilometers h and kilometers at your very convenience. Safer than ever as an added safety feature. The rear wheel disc brakes provide rapid deceleration to slow down and help bring your electric motorbike to a stop. Chime the bell to alert pedestrians and other riders of your presence. Built to go farther, the foldable bike accommodates riders up to 264 lbs, 120 kilograms, and runs on a rechargeable 37V lithium-ion battery to help you reach up to 9 miles per charge. Eco-friendly air-filled rubber tires begin at 43 SI 3.0 bar at the front and 36 SI 2.5 bar at the rear to absorb uneven roads. The e-bike's zero-emission motor is completely eco-friendly. Thank you for your purchase of the SwagCycle TM Envy folding electric scooter by Swagtron registered sign. But don't be fooled. If you want real swag, you're in the right place. To ensure your safety and the safety of others, please read and be sure to follow all instructions and safety recommendations in this user manual prior to and when riding your cycle. If you have any questions regarding the SwagCycle TM Envy, contact us at 1-844-299-0625 for further assistance. Happy riding the Swagtron registered sign. Team Product Safety Notice: the SwagCycle TM Envy has been designed with the utmost safety in mind for its riders. Extra precautions have been taken to protect the user from product hardware malfunctions through our meticulous design and engineering. However, like any mode of transportation, the SwagCycle TM Envy has inherent hazards associated with its use, e.g., losing control, falling off, or riding into a hazardous situation. Please read and be sure to follow all instructions and safety recommendations in this user manual prior to and when riding your cycle. Before each ride, especially if you may travel a long distance, inspect your cycle. First, check the tires for corrosion and replace if necessary. Lastly, inspect the brake to make sure that it is working properly. Additionally, check the brake pads for any damage as they will wear over time and eventually need replacement. If a replacement of the brake pads or any other part is needed, please contact customer support for replacement service. In general, it is recommended to make sure all nuts and bolts are taut and properly fastened to prevent injury and unnecessary wear and tear on your cycle. Maximum weight 264 pounds 120 kilograms. Maximum speed 10 mph 16 kilometers per hour. Max incline 12. This device requires coordination, agility, and balance. Use your best judgment to determine if an individual can use the SwagCycle TM Envy safely. English 2. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter. Safety gear, clothing, and footwear. Please wear appropriate clothing and safety gear including shoes, knee pads, elbow pads and an ASTM F1492 approved helmet. Avoid wearing anything that can drape over or get caught. Modifications and repairs. The SwagCycle TM Envy is a highly sophisticated electronics product that includes complex technical circuitry. Attempting to repair or modify your cycle can void all warranties. Only authorized repair centers may open and service the SwagCycle TM Envy. Obey local laws and regulations. Always check and adhere to local laws regarding personal transportation devices, including pedestrian laws. The cycle is considered a motor vehicle, so should not be ridden after consumption of alcohol, drugs, or while intoxicated. You can be arrested for drunk driving. By riding the SwagCycle TM Envy, the user acknowledges and accepts personal responsibility of all risks associated with the use of the SwagCycle TM Envy folding electric scooter, which may include, but are not limited to, muscle injuries, broken bones, lacerations, or serious injury which may be sustained while using the SwagCycle TM Envy. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 3 English Section 1. General information. This user manual will guide you through the functions and usage of your SwagCycle TM Envy. Before operating this device, read all the instructions for safe assembly, charging, and usage. Upon unpacking, please inspect the SwagCycle TM Envy for any signs of physical damage or defects. Ensure that the SwagCycle TM Envy is fully charged before using. If you have questions, contact Swagtron Registered Sign. Before you attempt to use or return your cycle. 1.1 About the SwagCycle TM Envy. The SwagCycle TM Envy Folding Electric Scooter by Swagtron Registered Sign is a compact, zero-emissions personal transportation device that feels like a scooter but rides like a motorcycle. It's environmentally friendly and uses only the highest quality components and industry-leading safety features. Riding speeds up to 10 miles per hour. No pedaling. Rechargeable, portable, and reliable. Eco-friendly and all electric with zero emissions. Foot pegs. X2 wrench. X1 user manual. X1 assembling and folding your SwagCycle TM Envy. Note: between the latch and the stem. Doing so may result in injury. To unfold, Figure 1 and 2. Step 1. Pull the handlebar stem upright. Step 2. Fold the latch up to close it. It will snap into place. To fold, Figure 3 and 4. Step 1. Locate the silver bolt in the side of the latch and pull it up. Step 2. While holding the bolt up, use your other hand to unfold the latch by pulling it down away from the stem. There is a notch on the other side of the latch to make this easier. Step 3. With the latch undone, fold the stem down. Silver bolt. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 7 English. To attach the foot pegs. With the kickstand holding your cycle upright, screw the foot pegs onto the front wheel and ensure they are securely tightened. To adjust the handlebars, unfold the latch to rotate and adjust the direction of the handlebars to a comfortable position. The latch closed. English 8. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter. To install the seat. Note: before installing the seat, read all instructions carefully. Step 1. Take the seat out of the package. Step 2. Position the seat over the stem, and press the seat onto the stem. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 9 English. Step 3. Check to make sure the seat is fully pressed down onto the stem. Step 4. Use the included wrench to tighten the nuts on the both sides of the seat. Then make sure everything is securely fastened. The seat should not move. Note: the nuts may loosen over time. For your safety, periodically make sure all nuts and bolts are taut and properly fastened. Wrench. English 10. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter Section 3. Charging your SwagCycle TM Envy. Step 1. Slide the compartment cover to reveal the charging port. Step 2. Connect the one end of the charging cable to the wall, then connect the other end to the charging port. Step 3. After this initial charge, average charging time is 3-5 hours. Step 4. Once fully charged, slide the compartment cover back in to prevent water or debris from entering the charging port or battery. The compartment can be used for cable management if needed. Safety tips for charging your battery. To maximize the life of the battery, you must charge it after each cycling session. When not in active use, Please charge at least once a month to maintain optimal battery levels. Perform periodic visual inspection of the battery ports and charger cables. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 11 English Note. When the battery is fully charged, please stop charging and unplug the unit. Keep your charging environment clean and dry at all times. If the charging port is damp or has any liquid on it, do not charge your cycle. Extremely cold environments. Use only the battery and charging cable provided to you by Swagtron registered sign. Use of third-party products may compromise the battery and damage the scooter. If a replacement is needed, please contact Swagtron registered sign directly. Do not charge the battery in the following cases. There is excessive odor or heat, leakage or physical damage. English 12 Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter Section 4. How to ride. The instructions below will ensure you have a comfortable and safe riding experience. Please read carefully. Bell rear brake power button display throttle. Start your cycle by pressing the power button. Moving forward on your cycle is as easy as twisting the throttle. To slow down, gradually apply pressure to the rear brake to slow down the rear motorized wheel. To stop, gradually apply full pressure to the rear brake until it stops completely. Use the bell to alert pedestrians and other riders of your presence. The display shows how much charge is left in the battery. Make sure the battery is at full power before heading out on a long-distance ride. The headlight automatically turns on/off when the cycle is powered on. It adjusts according to light from the surrounding environment that is in strong light. The headlight may turn off while in low light. The headlight will turn on. Menu button. After you powering on your cycle, press menu button to cycle between auto, air, and trip on screen. Power button. Press to power on the cycle and the automatic headlight 5.1 measurement settings. With the cycle off, press and hold the menu button, then press and hold the power button. Continue to hold both buttons for approximately 2 seconds. The cycle should turn on and enter the measurement settings menu. After entering the measurement settings screen, press and hold the menu button until the number 0001 or settings can be changed by pressing the menu button. Pressing this button will switch the on-screen speed measurement from miles to kilometers. The cycle is set to display as miles per hour by default. Switching distance measurement will also switch speed measurement, that is, if distance is set to miles per hour, speed will be measured in miles per hour, and or if distance is set to kilometers h, speed will be measured in kilometers h. Menu button, power button, miles per hour, kilometers h. English 14 Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 5.2 General display information. Press the power button to turn on your SwagCycle TM Envy and its display 3 air. Press the menu button to switch to air mode. The air mode is used to display status codes when the cycle is operating as normal or either has encountered some type of error. Error code description 0000 normal, no error 0009 controller error 0006 low battery 0010 communication reception error 0007 motor error 0011 communication transmission error 0008 throttle error. For error codes 0007, 0011, please contact customer service for troubleshooting. 1 speed. These numbers indicate current speed readings and will change as the cycle is in use. 2 auto. Press the menu button to switch to auto mode. The odometer accumulates by 1 kilometer or 0.63 miles, and displays the cumulative distance from 0 to 9,999 kilometers or 6,213 miles. When a single trip is less than 1 kilometer or 0.63 miles, it is not included in the total mileage or kilometer count. When exceeds the maximum 9,999 kilometers or 6,213 mi, the odometer will automatically reset to 01243576. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 15 English 4 Trip. Press the menu button to switch to trip mode. Single trip data will be cleared once the cycle is powered off. 5 battery level. This icon indicates battery power level. As power goes down, the icon will display different levels. 6 low voltage. When the icon also displays on screen, the cycle's power is very low. Stop riding and recharge it immediately. 7 speed measurement. This icon displays speed measurement according to selected preference. Refer to section 5.1 for instructions. Section 6. Safe riding techniques and tips. Following these techniques and tips can ensure you have a safe, fun riding experience on the SwagCycle TM Envy. Check to make sure your brake is fully intact, foot pegs are securely installed, and handlebars are locked in place. Always wear an ASTM F1492 approved helmet and protective gear to avoid possible injury. Make sure your feet are always on the foot pegs. Taking your feet off the pegs while riding is dangerous. Ensure the battery is fully charged, especially if you plan to travel long distances. Ensure your tires are intact with no punctures. Ensure the vehicle speed is safe to yourself and others, and be ready to stop at any time. When riding with friends, keep a safe distance between your devices to prevent collisions. Be aware of your surroundings at all times to ensure a safe ride. Your eyes are your best tools for safely avoiding obstacles and slippery surfaces. Riding the cycle can only support the weight of one person at a time. Only ride the cycle where permitted. You must comply with local laws and give way to pedestrians. English 16 Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter Warning. Never ride at high speeds on uneven terrain or slopes. Never perform stunts or turn abruptly without checking your surroundings. Never carry passengers on the cycle with you. Never carry heavy items while riding. Never ride in the rain. Never use the cycle to do anything that may cause personal injury or property damage. Never get off the cycle when it is in motion. Failure to use common sense and heed the above warnings increases the risk of serious injury, or in very rare cases, death. Use with appropriate caution and serious attention to safe operation. For more safe riding tips or information, visit www.swagtron.com. 6.1 Disposal at end of life. Improper disposal of the battery contained within this product may result in the battery heating up, rupturing, or igniting, which may cause serious injury. The substances contained inside the battery present chemical risks to the environment. The recommended disposal for any Swagtron registered sign product at its end of life is to dispose of the entire unit at or through an e-waste recycling center, program, or facility. Local regulations and laws pertaining to the recycling and disposal of lithium-ion batteries and or products containing them will vary according to country, state, and local governments. You must check laws and regulations corresponding to where you live in order to properly dispose of the battery and or unit. It is the user's responsibility to dispose of their waste equipment properly with accordance with local regulations and laws. For additional information about where you should drop off your batteries and electrical or electronic service, or your point of sale, Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 17 English Section 7. Maintenance. Follow the tips and reminders below to keep your cycle running at top performance. Note: do not perform any kind of maintenance while the cycle is charging. Attempting to repair or modify your cycle can void all warranties. Only authorized repair centers may open and service the cycle. If you need assistance, please contact Swagtron Registered Sign Support at swagtron.com. 7.1 Cleaning. Proper cleaning of your cycle can guarantee a longer lifespan and a smooth riding experience. Check around the wheels and ensure there is no blockage. The cycle's design allows for easy wheel maintenance. The cycle meets IPX4 water resistance, meaning it can withstand splashes. However, do not submerge the cycle in water. Do not let water and liquids get into the cycle's electric parts or battery. English 18 Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 7.2 Storage. Below are some tips to consider when storing your SwagCycle TM Envy. Before storing, fully charge the cycle to prevent battery overdischarge due to non-use. If storing the cycle for more than 1 month, discharge and recharge the battery at least once a month. Cover the cycle to keep dust out. Do not store in a dusty environment as this may cause damage over time. 7.3 Transportation before lifting and or moving it. Note: the cycle weighs approximately 30.87 pounds. If you are unsure of your ability to lift this much weight with one hand or arm, doing so is not recommended. Please lift the cycle with both arms or otherwise gain the assistance of someone who may handle the weight without trouble. Lithium-ion batteries are considered hazardous materials. Therefore, transportation is governed by federal, state, and local laws. International law prohibits the shipping of bare lithium-ion batteries. If you are shipping your SwagCycle TM Envy, you must ship it with the battery installed. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy Folding Electric Scooter 19 English Section 8. Specifications 8.1 SwagCycle TM Envy Specifications. Item parameters: net weight 30.87 pounds 14 kilograms, dimensions 39.4 x 18.9 x 38 in 1000 x 480 x 965 millimeters, Max incline 12, maximum load 264 pounds, 120 kilograms, battery 37V, 4.4 Ah, charging voltage 110V, 220V, 50-60 Hz, pin polarity, charging time 3-5 hours, wheel size, front wheel 12 in, rear wheel 10 in, wheel size, front wheel 43 SI 3.0 bar, back wheel 36 SI 2.5 bar, water resistance, IPX4 warranty, 1 year, limited, English 20. Swagtron SwagCycle Envy folding electric scooter 8.2 display specifications, item parameters, power 36V, current 10 mAh, work temperature -20 ohc, 55 ohc, 4 of 131 of. Voltage, display accuracy 0.5V, protocol UART, communication, convert voltage output 0.95 plus 0.5V, 4.25 plus 0.5V, 1 year, limited hardware warranty, your Swagtron registered sign. SwagCycle TM Envy folding electric scooter product includes a 1 year limited hardware warranty. The warranty covers product defects in materials and workmanship under normal use. This warranty is limited to residents of the United States and Canada only and is available only to original purchasers. This warranty starts on the date of your purchase and lasts for 1 year. The warranty period is not extended if the product is repaired or replaced. We may change the availability of this limited warranty at our discretion, but any changes will not be retroactive. Warranty services are provided by Swagtron registered sign. If a hardware defect arises and a valid claim is received within the warranty period, at its option and to the extent permitted by law, Swagtron registered sign will 1. Repair the hardware defect by using new or refurbished parts that are equivalent to new in performance and reliability, or 2. Exchange the product with a product that is new or refurbished which is substantially equivalent to the original product. This warranty is for Swagtron SwagCycle Envy folding electric scooter 21, English 1, replacement only of like items and does not cover items out of production if the product is no longer made or stocked. This warranty is not assignable or transferable. The original purchaser may call Swagtron's toll-free number at 1-844-299-0625 for service request. When a product or part is exchanged, any replacement item becomes your property and the replaced item becomes Swagtron registered sign as property. This warranty only covers technical hardware defectiveness during the warranty period and under normal use conditions. Swagtron registered sign does not warrant uninterrupted or error-free operation of this product. This warranty does not cover any damage due to a. Transportation, b. Storage, c. Improper use, d. Failure to follow normal wear and tear, or h. External causes such as accidents, abuse, or other actions or events beyond our reasonable control. Important: do not disassemble the product. Disassembling the product will void this warranty. Only Swagtron registered sign, or a party expressly authorized by Swagtron registered sign, should perform service on this product. Disclaimer of warranty: the remedies described above are your sole and exclusive remedies and our entire liability for any breach of this limited warranty. Our liability shall under no circumstances exceed the actual amount paid by you for the defective product, nor shall we under any circumstances be liable for any consequential, incidental, special or punitive damages or losses, whether direct or indirect. Some states do not allow the exclusion or limitation of incidental or consequential damages, so the above limitation or exclusion may not apply to you. The duration and remedies of all implied warranties, including without limitation the warranties of merchant liability and fitness for a particular purpose, are limited to the duration of this express limited warranty. The end of the details. Now I will talk about my own personal feeling about the bike.
I think I have it in the bag. Yeah. So we're still wondering if this comes off on. We're actually going to look at my wife's going to look at the instructions now. And we got off the screws, but we just saw that it doesn't have a slit, so there's no way of sliding it off. The back one's really hard to get to. As you can see, it's hard for me to fit my air compressor in there. Let me keep working on it, see if I can get it in there. The tires are deflated, they're flat. I gotta fill them up. I cannot figure out. This is impossible. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get another air compressor. This thing is leaning sideways, and I can't bend it over to its correct length like the front. I'm scared to destroy it. This is horrible. Well, I have to return the bike. I wish I could have tried it, but I'm so disappointed. Now, I can't say it's the anything having to do with the company. Swagtron, of what I hear, makes great bikes and everything. So I got nothing negative to say about it. I think it's pretty cool looking. I think it's unique. The way it folds up and you can kind of close everything up. It's really cool. I really like it. So, I had two issues. One of the pegs was almost impossible to get on. I probably spent an hour. Just one of them went on easily. The other one, I must have tried it, I don't know how many times until it finally went in. It was just ridiculous. Like the threading wasn't meeting up. I switched them to make sure it had nothing to do with the pegs, but it wasn't the pegs. It was the actual, the metal fitting that comes outside from the wheel, whatever that's called, the screw. So I couldn't get it off. And it has threading, if you see, on both sides. So you can either thread it on either side. So you can see there's threading there. And I don't know if this is the hard one. See, this one comes off and on easily with no issues. So we have to start taking and disassembling the bike. I took a lot of measurements and everything, so I hope that helps. Gonna end the video here in showing us packing it back up. I already set it up to drop it off at Best Buy. I'm in the northern part of Pennsylvania, so I already made arrangements to go drop it off. It's April of 2020, and you know that it's a whole big to-do with interacting with people right now. So I have to drop it off. I have to text them, let them know when I'm outside, and then they'll come out. We never got the, can you turn on the bike, son? The lights do come on. I think that they work through source. Is the display on? So one of the difference between this one and the older ones is that it doesn't have an LED indicator. Can you turn it? It doesn't have an LED indicator. Supposedly there was one in here and no longer has that. The indication for the amount of battery left in the unit is going to be on the actual display itself. So I just wanted to show you that. It actually shows you the amount, the miles per hour or anything. As you can see, I never got anywhere, as I never was able to ride it, since my problem was that I couldn't fill up the tire here. So I had the issue with the peg, but I finally got that done. I couldn't find anything in the instructions on whether this plastic comes out. We unscrewed everything, but there's no way of taking it out unless you crack it. So I figured since I might have been returning it if the issue with the tire wasn't fixed, I kind of put it back and just left it like that until I made my final decision on whether I'm keeping it or not. So the tire, I can't inflate it. It took me forever. Can you bring it out, son? Bring it out towards you. Let me get that. So bring it out like this. See, the light is on right there. The light is great. This is just a reflector, not a light. This would have been great. It would have been a light. Too bad you can't put your own battery operated light. I wonder if this opens. Is this open? I don't know. Let me try if that opens. But anyway, this is the light indicator in the back. It's really small. I wish it would have been the large one. And then in the front, is the light on? Is there a way to turn it on automatically?
I'm not sure.
No.
Maybe it comes on automatically at night.
So I don't know if it comes on, if it's dark. And oh, there it goes. Yep. So it's going to come on when it's dark. So I'm covering the sensor right now. I don't know where the sensor is, but right now, putting my finger underneath. The sensor's underneath, and it allows me to put it on. So maybe you could put something temporarily, you could actually have it on. Because I'm a big believer in daytime running lights. So let me show you the sensor, because I guess I've never showed you.
The nice thing is that it doesn't kill the battery. So you don't forget.
Well, that's why they're doing it. So that's the sensor itself, right there.
You could always add like.
So can you press it? Can you put your finger over that plastic piece? As you can see, my son's putting it over, and it's, let it go. It comes on and off as you press it. So that, let go. Let go. Go ahead. Forget it. Okay. I don't know what that is at the bottom. But
That's not the
All right, so it's pretty cool. Can you hold the bike?
Absolutely.
Very simple. Turn it off, the button comes out. Push it in, the button stays in, and it comes on. There's different settings. Let me show you all of them. Okay, hold on 1 second. The total mileage. Error, I don't know what that means. Trip. Okay, that's it, 3. Odometer, error code, trip. And then the miles per hour and the battery level. I charged it overnight. The seat was pretty easy to put on. They gave you the tools for it. There's a wrench right there. That wrench is used to tighten and loosen the pegs and the seat. And like I said, I'm sorry, I probably haven't gotten out. I'm sorry. The whole thing is that I can't fill up this tire. So, can you turn it sideways so I can show everyone? This thing I could not get out. So, what it is that this metal piece right here is too close to the nipple to fill up the air. Can't get anything in there. I tried 3 different of my air compressors, or one of the device that I use to put air into tires, like in my cars and stuff like that. I tried a foot one. I tried one that goes that go in the car, and I also went to see if I can get to put it in one of the places that has air. Nothing. I can't fit it in there. I finally did get one thing screwed, as you saw in the video earlier. I got one of my compressors screwed in there. The problem was, it's like 2 hours, right? Or more. Felt like forever. And the front tire, no problem whatsoever. As you can see, the thing sticks out, and I was able to fit the tire with no issue. The compressor plug end in there to fill it up with no issues. But the back, this one, nothing. I finally got it in, and I was getting air in here. Was getting air. As soon as I took it out, all the air came out. So there's something happened to this. I don't think this is supposed to be that far in. I think it's supposed to be further out. And I think it either got damaged during shipping or production, which pushed the peg, the nipple for the tire, too far in. And it might have done some damage on the inside, causing this to not be able to inflate properly. So I do get air in, but as soon as I take it out, all the air comes right out. So I don't know if it's the little tip that goes in the middle of this thing. I'm not even gonna take this out. This took me forever to put on. I can't even take it out anymore. But I think that the problem, I'll show you in the front tire, because that's easy, I'll show you. You see how easy it is to get to this? No problem. So I think the metal piece right there, I think there's something wrong with it in the back. I think it got damaged during shipping. I think all this got crushed in and damaged. It looked damaged. It looked all beat up and just not working right. So I can't get air in there. And I'm the kind of person that once I try something and it doesn't work, my first impression, I'm not gonna buy it again. So I'm actually going to go pick up another Swagtron bicycle. Electric bicycle. It's the bigger version of this, the EB, I think it's the EB5. I'll be doing a video on that to see if I get a better overall experience with that, and hopefully that doesn't come damaged, because Best Buy doesn't have these in their stores. So the reason I purchased them at Best Buy is because their return policy is top notch. I'm a super member of Best Buy, and I get up to 45 days return, and that's why I buy a lot of my products from them, because I can try it out for 30 days, and if I get tired of it, I can just return it. So I'm gonna right now I'll fast forward instead of unboxing, the reboxing of the item. And I'm just gonna go over it again to show you everything, so you get a detailed look. Again, I think this thing is broken. I can't get air inside here. The air comes out like nothing, and I can't ride it. It's in the worst spot. It's in the back, so when you sit on it, you're hitting the metal, and it's not good. So I'm gonna do the overall height from chair to floor. My son's gonna help me. Can you pull on that? No. Just hold it. Turn it around. Turn it around. Okay, hold on 1 second. So the overall height from the floor to the seat is about that much. Let me bring it back. That's probably where your backside would go.
Yeah.
That looks about 28. And then the actual metal frame itself, bring it over. From the floor, it's about that height. And then the front, it's about that height. The length of the total bike, I mean, this is, actually my wife is pretty happy that I'm actually returning it. She thinks it's way too small for me to be riding in the city, and it would be way too dangerous to be riding. I would be riding this in New York City. I guess I got into the electric bike fever because I did a video on it, but the Revel rental scooter bikes in the city now, I love those things. I know that people are complaining about them being everywhere, and that's why it was funny to see on the app, the only complaints were people complaining about those things taking up parking in New York City, because people just put them anywhere. But anyway, I just got back the fever of a two-wheel vehicle, and I guess I started looking at my own electric bikes, and this is kind of a simple version of it that I can keep in my home until I get a full version of until I can afford a full version like a Revel scooter. So just a quick look at it. This is the cover inside, and you store the cable here. So I gotta find, this is the cable itself. I took, can you hold the camera down onto this? So I took the cable itself, and can you come on this side? On this side. And you just put it in here, and I think I'm gonna have such an issue putting it in here. Come on this way so you can show inside. This is the storage bin for only the cable. You can't get nothing else in here. Nothing will fit in there. I don't think I'm gonna be able to even get the cable in here. It's kind of cold, so the cable is stiff.
Shall I try?
No, it's okay. I'll try. Okay. It's in. Okay. This goes in there. There's no separate brick for the charger, which is great. And I don't think, wow, what a pain in the buttocks. Okay, so it's in there. So that's the compartment for it. Very convenient. And let's start taking it apart and putting it back. But first, again, let's just take a look at the bike. This is the seat itself. Can you help me take off the seat, son? Oh, I showed you the seat. That's the serial number that comes on it. Very simple to put it off, take it off and put it on. That's the cabling going through. Light, tire, shield.
I don't think I'm doing this right.
Okay, pull it off. Okay. Regular standard pole, it doesn't go up or down, it's all one size. And I think I've done the measurement on that, but just in case, because I measure everything. And a standard chair. It came wrapped in plastic, that'll be going back. I bought some cushions, chair, I would put cushions on my bikes. And then to close it in the front, I'm gonna take a picture of this. So we're gonna do the reboxing of the item now. So I'm gonna fast forward this part now. I've taken a lot of pictures. At the end, I'll have pictures of the actual item. Like I said, I really like it. I wish it would have worked out, but you know, it happens. So let me just do the reboxing, and then I'll just end the video.
2-year Geek Squad product replacement. Product replacement makes it easy. Cost $79. If your covered product stops working, a replacement or store credit will be provided at a Best Buy store or by mail, because bad luck deserves good coverage. Product replacement plan coverage is available for many types of products, including printers and scanners, computer monitors, small kitchen appliances, including coffee makers and blenders, headphones, wireless speakers, computer accessories, including mice and keyboards, video game accessories such as controllers and headsets, smart home products, and several more. Product replacement. If your product stops working, a replacement or store credit will be provided at a Best Buy store or by mail. Normal wear and tear includes replacement due to normal wear and tear, defects in materials or workmanship, and failures due to dust, internal heat and humidity. Power surge repair. We cover equipment failure due to a power surge or fluctuation. Transferable. Anyone you give the covered product to will be able to obtain service under the protection plan. No additional charges or restrictions apply. Convenient claim support. We're here for you if something goes wrong. Accidental damage from handling plan. The accidental damage from handling plan includes all the product replacement plan benefits above and adds accidental damage from handling coverage for tablets less than $100 and e-readers. Accidental damage from handling. Question and answer icon by phone. Have questions about your protection plan? Not sure if you have a plan? Call 1-800-433-5778 at a store. Bring your products in for replacement or store credit, and get questions answered in person. Find the store other helpful links. Read protection plan FAQs. How to buy. When you add a qualifying product to your cart, a small window will pop up and you can choose the plan that's right for you. If you accidentally drop or spill on your device, a replacement or store credit will be provided at a Best Buy store or by mail.
I put it in the van. We're gonna go return it. Like I said, I'm sad about it. I got my mask ready and everything. So it's supposed to be contactless return. Now, one thing I did want to show you before I end the video. First, thank you for watching. And I want to tell you, I hope that this video helps and I hope it's informative. I usually try to get real close up to the items that I'm doing a video on so that you feel like you are holding it in your own hands, or that you're actually looking to the item or looking at the item with my eyes. But one thing I want to show you is that was weird was that when I first ordered this, it was on one of the daily deals, which was a few days ago. Today is April, I think it's April 20, hold on one moment, it's April 30th, April 30th. So like April 27th or 26th, one of the daily deals included this Swagtron bike, electric bike. And as you read the description, see, that's the item. This is what I ordered. This is what came in the mail. And they made a mistake. I paid $249 for it. And they had it as the 28-mile max operating range and 16 mile per hour max. So I'm new to electric bikes. When I saw this, I said, wow, they must have gotten so advanced already in regards to electric bikes to get that much power and that much distance on this little bike. But as I saw the videos, they kept saying other numbers, 10 miles an hour and 9-mile range and other things like that. So I said, okay, somebody's wrong. When 3 days later came, I saw that they made a change on the website, and now it said this. Let me just show it to you really quickly. As you can see, that's the correct info. 9-mile-an-hour max and 10-mile maximum range. So they were wrong on this listing, which was on you know what, let me get the date on there. April 22nd. So on April 22nd they had this, and on April 28th, so 6 days later, they changed it and it went back to what it's supposed to be. So I was already going to return it if that was true. I figured, let me just double check. And now, yeah, this is it right here, a large version of it. And now I'm off and I'm going to pick up, and I don't have the pickup info, and I should have it because I have to go pick it up. I'm picking up the other one. So I'm picking up the other bike, and I'm hoping that that one, it's supposed to be up to 30-mile range when you use pedal assist. I'm looking forward to doing that. I like the fact that it is a pedal bicycle and electric bike at the same time. So I'm going off to Best Buy and I'm going to get the other one. All right, so I'm going to end the video on this one here. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.